Baga, ito nga pala yung tatlong, kulit-kulit, di mapasabihan. So, yun. Ginamit na lahat ng plato. Kasi isa, kumakain doon. Para mga nakawala. Wala kasi nanay tata, yan tuloy. Abby, hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Abby! Abby, I said, you eat your food here. But you're not listening, I see. Primo, what's that? Kuya, are you going to break the glass?
I'm stalling. I'm stalling.
Look at your face in the mirror. In the mirror.
Where?
Where's the mirror? Is it the mirror on me? Look at the mirror. Or you're using the microwave as a mirror. Oh, you're wiping it everywhere. Why don't you use a wipe? You may check on the floor? Oh, look at the mess, huh? What's the reaction of Nana if they saw this? Ay, grabe talaga ito. Ay, ito po yung salarin. Ay! Ay, mga pasaway. Ay, makinig dito. Ay, naku, kinalat pa. Ay, nakaka-stress. So where are we supposed to eat? Here, not on the table. You know what, J-Ben? I saw lots of chocolate here earlier.
Well.
Here, on the countertop, when I'm sticking that. I don't know why there's chocolates here. I already wiped it.
Mommy was here.
So we're now exchanging places. Okay. How about you, Primo? Are you done?
No.
Kailan ka matatapos? Pag Pasko na. How long will it take? Until Christmas?
No.
Oh, no. Can you mix it in the table now? Do you have a bread already?
This is in the table.
Let's go in the table. You close the containers first. After that, you clean this mess, ha?
I think I need a little bit more milk.
Oh, whatever. Go. You clean the mess, kuya, ha? All together. Okay. Ha? Ay, kagulo yung tatlo. Stress kaayo. After you clean, what we're gonna do?
Take a bath.
Then after you take a bath?
Watch.
No, that's not.
Eat.
No, dry yourself.
And then
Wear your clothes. That's what you said to me,
put
diba?
lotion.
Yeah, put on lotion, whatever you need to put. Then, Nanay said, no, screen time. You want to confirm it? With Tatay? You want to confirm it?
No.
I can call her.
No.
Oh, no.
I don't do that.
So she said, when they go back, they're supposed to be doing an artwork for them. Madada. Pre. Kaya pala. Yes. Oh, you're done eating already? Bilis naman. I will report this to Nanay and Tatay, ha? to know your mess. And you're not listening to me. Yes, it's okay. It's so fun to watch. And when you grow up, we're going to watch it again. All together. Okay?
I hate it.
No, you're gonna love it. Especially your nose. Especially your nose with lots of chocolate. Why don't you use a tissue kasi? I told you to wipe it with a tissue. Why you keep wiping it? Your hands lots of chocolate. See, look, oh. Whose bread is that? Is that Abby's?
No!
My brother.
You know what? I feel like I should watch.
No screen time.
Okay, then. Wait, if there's no screen time, that means also for you. So you can't use your phone.
Nanay said no screen time for you three. Not the 4-hour class, and I have my own phone, and I'm doing the chores without them telling me. I ask them if I need to do this or do that.
Cleaning up, when my special ring of clean up, when my special ring of clean up, when my special ring of clean up, when my special ring of clean. I'm thinking of a photo of us. Clean up.
What? I'm sorry? Is that?
Clean up. Clean up. Don't use the sandal. Clean up.
Ben thought, stop annoying your brother.
Thank you.
What's that?
Clean up. Thank you for the couple.
How am I supposed to close this one?
Use his tongue.
Yeah.
Use the tissue box.
Use the tissue box. But the tissue box so big.
Oh, I know. You can plug it with.
How many times do I have to tell you? No screen time nga eh. Sino papagalitan ng nanay? Ikaw ba o ako?
Watch the clock.
Gonna watch it. Then you're supposed to finish your artwork. Give me it back, please.
We stare at the entire room and figure out what should we do. You know, I feel like I should.
I have the evidence to show in Nana and Tatay how naughty you three are. Let's see. Let's see. And those points will be gone. Those points will be marked X. What's funny with that? Those points will be gone. I'm telling you. Anyway, this video is too long now. Bye.